Hi, I'm Sheena Strader with L2L Support, and welcome to this tips and tricks video on creating work orders. Work orders are an important part of your plant's success as they can be used for improvement projects, requests for facilities, and even plan project-based production. L2L makes it easy for anyone with a login account to request work that requires approval and scheduling in order to be completed. Please note, prior to creating work orders, you need to be sure that work order settings are enabled in both your area and line setup. To start, you will want to make sure you have work order categories completed. Go to the work order menu on the left-hand side and select categories. Here you would select Add New. I'm going to choose a pre-created one. You would need to enter a code, a name, the dispatch type you would like to launch when using this category. Require a machine. There may be cases where you may not use this. A color of the category. Once you have created categories, you will want to review your work order settings to be sure you have everything configured the way you would like. You find these here. There are default work order settings, email notification settings, miscellaneous settings, and lastly, you will see edit routing. You can create work order routing rules. Work orders can be routed to the correct person for approval via the routing rules below. When a new work order comes in, each rule below is evaluated in order until the work order matches a rule, and then the work order is routed to the user identified by the matching rule. Note, you must have a valid email address to be routed or notified. You also have the option to set a default owner when none of the rules apply. Now that you have configured your settings, we can work on creating a work order. You can either choose to create a work order using the arrow here with new work order, or through your menu. Select all orders, and then add new. Here you will select an area and line where you would like the work completed. If you are unsure of the area you need the work to be completed, you can select unsure at the far right of the screen. Please note, if you don't select an area and line, and the category doesn't require a machine, you will receive a machine required error. This is because the line has a default machine, which will be used for categories that do not require machine selection. Once you have selected a location of where the work is to be performed, the entry screen will appear, so you can begin to enter your information. The information required is a short description, such as leaky hose, when you would like this completed by, the user who requested this, a category, your machine, your instructions, and then save. There are other options that are optional, such as cost center, a phone number, an owner, and you can save and add attachments. Congratulations, you just created your first work order. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, feel free to go watch our other tips and tricks videos or reach out to us at L2L Support.